Hey besties, pack with me to Portugal. We are going to Algarve. Oh my god, I'm so excited.
So we are coming with a force. Blessing the reap and we coursing on.
I'm traveling with my friend on a girls trip. Today it's Wednesday, July 3rd. We are traveling Monday, okay, on the 8th. And yeah, I want to pack with you guys. By the way, this suitcase, I got it from Morrison's and it was for £8 and I thought it's super cute. So I said, let me get it. Guys, packing this was hard, but I want to show you guys what I did because I need to put some things in there. But first, what we're going to do is pack this personal bag, okay? Here I have my shoe. These are the two pair of shoes I'm going to be taking over there. And these are the two pair of handbag I'm going to be taking. I have one black and the other one is white. My favorite. So guys, I don't know about you, but usually when I'm traveling, I travel with I checked my bag in because I don't know, I'm an overpacker and I'm anxious, okay? So I got this packing cube from Primark. Originally, I was gonna pack my clothes in here and put it inside this bag, but it did not work for me. I just feel like, yeah, it was so bulky, the bag wasn't closing and it was stressing me out. So I just put my shoe and my handbag in there inside instead. So here we have the bag and the shoe in here. That's where it's going. And I already packed my liquid bag, which this was a challenge. In here I have my concealer, my toothpaste, my perfume, my mascara, my facial cream, sunscreen, and primer and all that stuff, deodorant, everything is here, like my lip liner, lipstick, all that here. So I'm just gonna put this here so it's easy access. When I get to airport, I don't have to do much. I just need to take it and put it there, boom, finish. So, and I'm also gonna take this empty bottle because I can't take my primer, like not the primer, but the makeup fixing spray. I can't take it because it won't fit on this liquid bag. Like literally it will not fit. It's too much stuff in here already. So what I'm gonna do is take this and all I have to do is put water and spray on my spray on my face. Like literally, that's the plan. I'm just gonna put that on one side, and on here I have my what's it called, because it's powder, I feel like it doesn't count as liquid. I have to do my research on this. I have my highlighter, my blush, sorry guys. So I have my highlighter, I have my blush, I have my makeup brush, I have my my what's it called, eyelash, and this sponge that I said I used to do my powder with. So that is going here as well. Yeah, that's gonna go here. And then we have my toothbrush that is going here as well. I know I have two here, guys. I'm extra, okay? I'm extra. Yeah. So we have these two pair of sunglasses. Guys, I broke my favorite pair of glasses, and the other one I can't find it. So I'm just gonna take these two. When I get there, I will wipe them because it's been long since I used them. So I'm just gonna put them here. I'm gonna have to be really careful with this because I don't want to break them. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave this in here for now. And here on this box, if you're wondering, I have my jewelry in here, my necklace, my earrings and stuff are here. So I'm just gonna slide that into one side. And this thing here is to put my chargers, my electrical stuff when I'm going here. So I'm not gonna pack that yet because yeah, I need my stuff. So those are the things that I'm gonna take on this bag. I'm just praying that it's not too big, that Ryanair won't be giving me issue with this personal bag. But I don't think it's big like that. I think it can go in front of me. Guys, I'm low-key panicking, but I think it should be fine. Yeah. Anyways, this one is packed already. So let's move on to the suitcase. Okay, guys, so here's the suitcase. Um, oh, by the way, before we start, before we start with the suitcase, this is my airport outfit. I got this in Primark, this black top, cute, and these trousers as well. It's so cute, so free, so loose. You guys gonna see it on the day because I'm planning on vlogging this. Yeah, so this trip, so it'll be fun. And here, on here we have swimming suit thingy that I got in Primark before, way before, when I was trying to have swimming lesson. Yeah, I will just take these and these shorts so I can wear it there. So here, guys, I just want to show you guys, I'm not really gonna mess with this too much. I just want to show you guys, these are my nightwear, my underwear, and gloves that I'm gonna take in there so to shower. And most of my clothes are here. I'm not gonna mess with this, but I'm gonna just low-key just put this, spread it, oh, not on my bra thingy, on here. I really want to put it on all of my clothes because I can't take my favorite perfumes, but what can we do? We can't do much really. We just have to accept the reality of having limited stuff to take. It's so painful, guys. It is so painful, but we just gotta do this. I know I'm extra as hell. I like to mix my perfumes, so that's why I'm doing this. So these are set. Yeah, these are set. I'm just gonna add a little bit chocolate mask over there, and same here as well. Yeah, last I checked this was 8 kg, 8.9 kg, but we're gonna see. All you have to do, let me explain this to you guys. Roll your clothes like it's something like this and put it, otherwise it's not going to fit and you're gonna have issues. So to save yourself time and energy, just do that. Literally, if I take this swimming suit, all I have to do is roll it, like literally like this, and then boom, boom, that's it. And this one, same thing. I just want to show you guys how to do it, so at least you won't spend a lot of time worrying about your clothes. See, that's it. Literally, that is it. These are my airport clothes. This, maybe I'll take this as just whatever as an extra outfit, and we're just gonna close this, and that's it. I'm actually gonna put my sunglasses somewhere here because, yeah, why go with that? Although I feel like they are metal, so I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that. Yeah, this one I'm gonna put it here because it's powder, so I don't need it in my bag. But yeah, because you need 10 kg. And I'm gonna put this toothbrush here because I don't need it there. And yeah, so basically that's it. This will go there, and they will be able to close as well. So wish me good luck, guys. So all you have to do is close this, literally close it, and pray that it's 10 kg. If you're an overpacker like me, girl, I was super anxious about this. Even packing this, I was just like, oh, I should just buy extra kilo so I can take the 20 kilo, even though we only going for 7 days, and less than 7 days we're coming back. So I don't even know why I'm panicking too much, but yeah, that's just me. That's my life, and that's how I am. I'm extra as hell. I don't know if I put my sunglasses here if it's going to be beeping. I hope not, but I might just put it there. If anything, I can always open the bag for them to check. I just hope I'm not gonna be messing up with my sunglasses, literally, because I don't want to break them. Honestly, I love these two pairs so much, and I don't want anything that I don't trust, so I'm not gonna put it there. I have trust issues, okay? So we're just gonna leave this here for when I'm going. I will sort it out. But for now, this is my bag. Like literally, you don't have to do much. These are my nightwear, underwear, shorts, and stuff like that. Things that I don't really need that much, but it's there still. So we're gonna close this. To close it, obviously, make sure that you are present. See, this is why I take my sunglasses, because there's no way. And I don't think this will beep. I have my foundation brush and stuff like that. And yeah, they're powder, so it shouldn't beep at all. So all we do is press, 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 guys. Press. Okay? Press, 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 press. Harry don't need no press. Yeah, press. Literally, I just wish I had somebody here to help me. I know, such a princess. Princess Zion. Okay, this is it. Like, literally. Oh my god. So cute. Let us get the thumbnail that we need. For this, I'm so glad I did not stress myself about this. The most thing that was stressing me is the powder. But now that that is done, I don't have to worry. Like literally, I can just breathe. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I already got my outfit for airport set, so I don't have to worry about that. So yeah, guys, this is it. My personal bag, my cabin bag, and my airport outfit are done for Monday. I'm so excited, guys. Tomorrow, not tomorrow, tomorrow is Thursday. Tomorrow is the day of like shaving my leg and getting ready for the trip. And then on Friday, I'm going to get my nails done. And Saturday, I'm going to get my hair done. So yeah, I'm super excited, guys. That is it for this video. If you do enjoy it, thumbs up, subscribe down below, and let me know what you guys would like to see more on this channel. I cannot wait to vlog and bring you guys along this journey. I'm so excited for this trip, and I am looking forward to it. So many things gonna happen there. Maybe I'll spill the tea, maybe not. You know, I might want to keep it secret. I don't know yet, but we'll see. I'm so excited. So yeah, guys, see you soon. Mwah! Bye, besties. Bye bye. Sorry you can't see my face.